Are you in the club? Hey guys, welcome back to DCTC. This is Amy Jo, and today we're going to be opening our Peppa Pig Cupcake Dough playset. Are you guys ready to make lots of yummy treats? I know I am. Let's get started. Well, the first thing that we need to do is open this up and see what comes in this set. There's some strong tape on this. Oh my goodness, I just knocked Peppa and Danny Dog over. Or maybe that's not Danny Dog. Who is the guy that drives the tow truck? This fella. You guys remember his name?
You don't know my name.
Sorry. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Ooh, looks like all kinds of fun things. All right, let's take a look. So we have some yellow Play-Doh. We have some blue Play-Doh. We have some pink Play-Doh. And you see that each top has a different character on it. So this one has Emily Elephant, and this is Candy Cat, and this looks like Peppa. We also have an extruder. And that'll be good for decorating our cupcakes. Then we have some different tools. We have some plastic cupcake liners, some paper cupcake liners, and then we have some molds. And then we have one more little spoon back here. And then our lid, which looks like it's broken. I think we should make a blue cupcake first. And one of the things that I love about the Peppa Pig Play-Doh is that it smells really good. It smells yummy, like a dessert. Okay, so here we have our first little cupcake. And next we'll make some frosting to go on top of it. And we are going to use some white Play-Doh Plus to do that. And I'll make that into a little heart too. I'm going to use a little bit of this hot pink Play-Doh, and this is actually the Play-Doh Plus, which is a little creamier than regular Play-Doh, and we will decorate our little heart. There is our first yummy cupcake. Next, we'll use some of the yellow dough in the triangle cupcake. And what should we decorate that with? There's different fruit molds, and then there is a Peppa, and I think a George mold. Okay, I have an idea. We are going to use some purple and green Play-Doh Plus to make this little bunch of grapes. And there they are. Before we make another cupcake, let's use this mold to make Peppa. There she is. Now she just needs some eyes and her little cheek filled in. There's Peppa. Next, let's try a strawberry. I need a little bit of green for the stem. I don't know about you guys, but I love strawberries. Okay, let's take a look and see how it turned out. There's our little strawberry. Now, it looks like this little mold is a flower, so let's try to be fancy and do one color in the center, and then we'll make the petals another color. Let's see. Let's do yellow in the center. And then let's do pink everywhere else. And we'll see if this turns out. Sort of looks like tie-dye, doesn't it? My green stem didn't work very well. Let me try that again. Oh no, my green stem won't come out with it. But the flower looks pretty. Alright, I want to try one of these paper cupcake liners, and I think we're going to need a lot of Play-Doh to fill one of these up. So let's get a big blob. We'll kind of shape that into a cupcake shape. My favorite cupcake is yellow cake with chocolate frosting. You guys can leave me a comment and tell me what your favorite is. I think the yellow cake and the chocolate is such a good combination. I'm kind of a fan of chocolate, just regardless. Okay, so there's our big one, and then we'll use some of the white Play-Doh Plus to make some frosting. And then I made a couple more of the little Peppa Pigs because I thought they were so cute. And I thought we could put one of those on top of the white frosting, and that would look really cute. So there's our frosting, and there is our little Peppa Pig decoration. Wouldn't that be cute for a birthday party? Like if you loved Peppa Pig and you wanted to have a Peppa Pig themed birthday party, you could have little cupcakes with Peppa on top. Here's our blue cupcake, and we can decorate that with our little strawberry. Let's try one of the molds that's in the lid of the dough. This one is Emily Elephant. Oh, that's perfect. There's Emily Elephant. Now let's try the one that has Peppa on the inside. That is cute too. Oh, I love these little molds. And last but not least, we have Candy Cat. And I was doing a Peppa video the other day and I could not remember Candy Cat's name. So thank you guys for leaving me so many awesome comments and telling me. It is hard sometimes to remember all of the different characters' names of all of these different toys that we have. I get confused. I especially get confused with Monster High dolls. So thank you very much for all the comments. That really helps. Okay, we ready to see Candy? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, woo! There she is. Those are really cute. Those are really good molds. All right, well, let's make one more of the little cupcakes. And this time we'll do the square one. We haven't done that one yet. Pop that out. And then we need to do a little frosting on it and decorate it. And we'll try a couple more of the molds. Let's see, we'll do the bananas. See if they really look like bananas. I think they do. And let's try this pineapple. Put some green in. And then fill up the base with yellow. That's the fruit part. I love pineapple, you guys. And there is our little pineapple. Yay! All of these molds work so well. Okay guys, that's all I have. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that if you did, you'll click on the like button. That tells me that you want to see more videos like this one. And leave me a comment and tell me what your favorite treat was. The favorite thing that I made were those little Peppa pigs. I thought those turned out super cute. For more super fun videos, I hope that you'll check out our channel and that if you like what you see, you will subscribe. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching.